Moving right along, guys, we have two lessons: how to survive a violent altercation with a traffic cop. Because the owner of five-star car wash out in Fulo, Johannesburg, Soweto, was seen being assaulted by traffic cops. Let's watch.
Yours also. Yours also. Mandla. Mandla. Shoot. That's it. Shoot. Shoot, Pasad. Are we taking this? Also. Taking him. You got it down to my property. Take me. It's fine. You got it down. Take me. I'm fighting for my key. Because I can't give no. Because I can't give you money. You don't want your fucking money, no one wants your money. Who said you want your money? Because I don't want money. Shoot your money. Shoot it. Who said you want your money? Man. Who said you want your money? Who said you want your money? Who said you want your money? No one wants your money. In IT, skin on your kitty bed. But for man, you hear me? Man. Check, but it doesn't fuck about you. You want to fucking remember my face. You want fucking stand for what you do. Shoot up what's up. You want stand for what you do. You want stand for what you do. I'm telling you. Shoot up what's up. Shoot up your cannon to what's up. How this man is going nowhere. What the fuck is that? This is smart boss. This is smart boss. Fetch what for the man? Yeah. Now I pay it. I know that. Yeah. Only you're talking about money. You want your license still? Now you don't have a license. I have my license. Now you're in front. I have my license. Now you have the biggest mouth. Still you have the biggest mouth. It's okay. Shoot him, can you see? Please, can you see? Shoot me. Don't forget me. Senior Inspector Bota. Your name is? Senior Inspector Bota. Please go that side. They want money. It's another division. They want your money. We don't want your money. That's how you do this nonsense. Uban on the right foot. You got to ski as a motor. Again. It's a rabbi. I'm not such one. Now I want to have a day. I'm still up a city bed. Sotufika namanje wabuya bayikhipha umoya futhi ayishabile ngamaboko uyilokhunye kanti mamela uthathe le license yakho ushite stop.
When you look at the video, they are saying that the driver did not stop at the stop sign, and then they pulled him over and refused to give them the bribe, because apparently they were demanding a bribe and he refused to give them the bribe, and they demanded his car keys and refused to give them the car keys. They wanted his driver's license. He refused to give them the driver's license. Yeah, obviously, if I'm going to skip a traffic light or a stop sign, traffic cops have a right to stop me, right? The driver cooperated in the first instance. They tried to stop him and he stopped, right? Number two is that they're now demanding bribes for his violations, for the traffic infringement, that they're demanding a bribe instead of writing a ticket, because I'm supposed to be seeing the traffic officer with a form and a pen on his hand to prove that he was giving this guy a ticket. I always battle with this one of giving my car keys to traffic cops and also giving my driver's license to traffic cops, because what if they're not genuine? What if they're not genuine traffic cops? You know, that's my issue with this story. And it's within his right to hold to his car keys, because you're not supposed to give people car keys. Traffic officers are only required to demand to see the driver's license, not to demand to have it. The guy complained that his bag is now been stabbed looks like the traffic officer, there's a traffic officer with a knife or an okapi who stabbed his tires.
Yeah. Now.
So I'm not sure if this guy is gonna survive because his mouth is full and also his hands are itchy. So I'm not sure if he's going to survive this one. I feel like that's how you lose your job. As you can see, it's a hot scene. It's a very, very hot scene. Salana. But we have 2 lessons. Lesson number 1. Make sure that you have someone recording. Whenever you get into an altercation with a traffic cop or someone in an official status, make sure that you have someone recording that event because you need it in a court of law and also just to prove your innocence. That's point number 1. Lesson number 2, don't get physical. Do not, you see it again, he's not fighting back. That's how you do it. You don't fight back, you just keep recording. Make sure that someone is recording and don't fight back, because in a court of law, that's physical violence. And then, did you fight back? Did you throw a punch? Did you throw a stone? You know, did you push someone? No. He will survive this one. He will survive this one. But I'm not sure if the traffic officer is going to survive this one. I'm not sure. So those are the 2 lessons that we have. So yeah, that's all I had, guys. See you again in the next upload.